Hi everyone, welcome back to a new one. And today we learn one of the best WhatsApp new updated feature, schedule. How you can schedule our voice or video call on your WhatsApp. It's very simple, but before learning these simple steps, I request just do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks, and WhatsApp secret updates and new hacks. If you want to do schedule call on WhatsApp, you need to open WhatsApp. Then you need to click on bottom right corner call section. Okay, once you come there, then you need to click on top schedule icon option. For example, here on the second after call schedule is available, just you need to click there. Then you need to add, or you need to edit some its settings. For example, schedule call time. For example, here is 2 a.m. I want to do a schedule call on 3 a.m. Okay, then you need to edit these settings, and you should you if you want, you can edit the end time. For example, here is 3:30 a.m. but I want this call will stay at 6 a.m. Okay, then you need to if you want, you can add end time and other. And also, if there's no limit, you can remove end time. Okay, then you need to click on call type, which type you want to do call. For example, voice call or video call. I will love to choose here a video call. Then you need to click on this arrow button. Okay, once you click there, then on the final step is you need to select a contact on which you want to do a schedule call with. For example, I select here Hasnan. Then you need to click on this arrow button. Once you do these simple steps, then your call is successfully scheduled. And here you can see a Shujas, and today event is I did a schedule call. So it's very simple. You can easily do a schedule call, video or voice call on your WhatsApp. I hope the short video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.